The United States registered a record high of over 510,000 daily COVID-19 cases on Monday amid the rapid spread of the Omicron variant. On Wednesday, the total number of U.S. coronavirus cases had exceeded 53.6 million, with more than 822,000 deaths. San Francisco on Tuesday announced the cancellation of the city's annual New Year's Eve fireworks show, as the city reported record daily infections of 805 cases. According to U.S. media, separate COVID-19 outbreaks occurred on board 2 U.S. Navy warships over the last week, disrupting their ongoing operations. The Omicron variant was estimated to account for 58.6% of coronavirus variants circulating in the United States for the week ending December 25. The number of children hospitalized with COVID-19 is also rising. Over 7.5 million children have tested positive for COVID-19, or about 1 in every 10 U.S. children, since the onset of the pandemic in the country.